Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I think you all are doing well. So, my dear students, today we are going to read a new lesson 15. The lesson is about some, any, no, many and a lot of. So, let's start. How many legs has a cat? Look. Yes, it has 4 legs. So, look at the dog. And now tell me, how many legs has a dog? Yes, it has 4 legs. Now, look at the snake. How many legs has a snake? Tell me, how many legs has a snake? It has not any legs or it has no legs. Okay. Has the boy any books in his hands? Look at the boy. No, he has not any. Or he has no books in his hands. Now, look at the picture. Are there any books on the table? Yes, there are some books on the table. Now, look at the next picture. Are there any pencils on the table? No, there are not any, or there are not any pencils on the table, or there are no pencils on the table. Now look at the basket. Are there many flowers in the basket? Yes, there are a lot of flowers in the basket. Now, are there many pens on the table? No, there are not many pens, or there are some. My dear children, there are some difficult words from your lesson. How many means kete sankhya, any means konosi, his means taro, there sethare, many adhika, basket jhudi, on means upare, some means kichi, not nahi, no na, a lot of means bahut. So dear students, read the lesson again and again for better practice. And I hope you all are enjoyed the class. Thank you very much for watching my class. Tata.